So it's February. You know what that means. Valentine's Day. I think it's time to make some stickers. Hey guys, how are you? So today I wanted to make some stickers for Valentine's Day. My winter stickers the company messed up on, and it was just a whole deal. So I wanted to try and do some new designs. So yes, I'm doing Valentine's Day Yoshi stickers because my son is basically my Valentine. If you don't know who Yoshi is my lovely pet sun conure. He's my son and my everything. And he fills me with so much joy, and he is such a character that I really like designing stickers for him. So I really don't have an idea for this. I'm just trying to think of like Valentine's Day things, honestly, and it might turn out different than what I'm drawing right now. I don't even know what are those shapes? What are these shapes? These are roses? These are roses? Oh, okay. So yeah, it's a vase with roses. If you can tell, these are roses. Roses, question mark. Maybe not. Originally I was gonna have Yoshi like pop out from the middle, but I kind of like the idea of him like popping out from the side like that. Whoever buys this is a bouquet from Yoshi to this person. Yoshi is gifting you this bouquet. Standard tag. I know for my winter stickers, I had 5. I was gonna sell 5. Obviously, well, it didn't go to plan, or it didn't go like I planned, or whatever that saying is. I still have them. Like, they're printed out. I'm just not proud of them, if that makes sense. And so I'm not like, obviously I'm proud of the design because I designed it, not to be cocky, but I designed them, so they're pretty cute. But the quality isn't something I'm proud of. So yeah, I have them. I'm probably gonna sell them. Just like at a discounted rate, price, discounted price, probably. Just because they're not what I wanted, so I'm not gonna be charging people for stickers that I don't like. But I don't know. I'm probably gonna do that with when I'm selling these stickers. So you'll find information. I'm sure I'm gonna post it. Okay, so what's this design? This one is going to be Yoshi like laying on his back with one of those love hearts, or no, they're not called love hearts. Sweethearts. I have no idea. No, sweethearts are circle candies. I have no idea. So yeah, he's gonna be holding a sweetheart in his little talons. That head is way too big for that body. Wow. Okay. Okay, me. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about though. kind of happy with just having two sticker designs, especially since I guess I'm gonna be selling the winter stickers, like not with these, but like around the same time. Like I'll probably figure out the prices for all those around this time. But I think I'll just keep it at 2 themed stickers, so that way I'm not like overwhelming everyone with all these sticker designs. I don't know, it makes sense. So now we are here in Photoshop, and let's just get the elephant out of the room. Elena, why is your sketch different? Well, it's called being bored in class and wanting to redraw it. It's basically the best excuse I could give you. I just wanted to redraw it. It really solidified the idea of these stickers. And I like these sketches a lot better. Even though they might look the same, in my mind, they're different. But so yeah, you know, took a picture with my phone, brought it onto my computer. My scanner wasn't working. Best thing I could do. And the one thing I like about digital is I could finally start playing with colors. Sometimes in my sketchbooks I'll play with colors, like I'll lay down just a random color of color pencil or paint that I'm working with. But for these stickers I really didn't. But in Photoshop I was able to play around a lot more, especially with the bow tie versus the roses. I knew I wanted them both red, and I was able to get the certain shades to make a difference in them because I didn't want them to be perfectly the same. You know, I wanted some contrast between them. Not really contrast, but you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm just, you know, putting in all the shading to make it look less crowded. Something I was scared about with doing the bouquet was all the flowers looking really crowded and looking just like a random bunch of flowers. I was able to make it seem more convincing, I guess, that it was a bouquet, but also just like where you can distinguish each flower. So basically just doing that. And then you'll see that on the tag, I write Happy Valentine's Day from Yoshi, because this is a bouquet for you from my son. I wanted to write like something with love at first, but as you'll see in the next sticker, English, calm down, that it says like love you in it. So I wanted them to be, you know, still love themed, quote unquote, but different in their own right. So I chose to just go with the standard Happy Valentine's Day. And at first I wasn't gonna put from Yoshi. I was making these stickers, like playing around with the shades of colors and the wording, all that, for longer than I should have been. But that's what makes a good sticker. So yeah, now I'm just going in with the second sticker, making sure his toes look like nice toes. This was mostly just Yoshi, so it was kind of easier since I have all of Yoshi's colors saved to the library already. That is just easier to get out and put on. Again, I was playing around with the shade of the Sweetheart a lot more than I should have been, honestly, but we don't tell no one that. But so yeah, this one's really quick and simple. I kind of wanted this one to have less detail since this one was probably going to be smaller, since, you know, the longer the sticker, usually the skinnier it is. So I didn't want to put too much detail, which I think I made the right decision for. I'm really happy with that. So those are the two stickers, and as we're going to see, I obviously didn't want to use the previous sticker company, so I've been looking for new ones, and I decided to go with the one you'll see soon. I was hearing good things about them, like I see them on Instagram. Here's the sticker company. I found them on Instagram, and even when talking to people, I know people who've bought from like real artists, like not professional, I guess professional artists, and just have a really good time with them, and even improving the designs were like really easy. Okay, let's take a look at my emails. I got one from the company. I'm really excited to see what's going on. Look at that, they got delivered. What was there knocking at my door? I need to, who's knocking at my door at this point in time? It's my package. Alright. That was really cheesy. I'm sorry about that. But no, I got my stickers and I am in love with them. The quality is like really good in them. I love how like the colors came out. If I could focus on the sticker, I really like how the color, like vibrancy of it is, and just the quality of the sticker itself. Like you can tell it's not just some random gloss paper that you can get at any store. So I'm really excited for you guys to start buying them and getting them for yourself. And I'm gonna show you in a second the winter stickers too. I decided to sell them with these up just like one time, since I don't know, it's just an easier transaction. You'll see that I'm selling all 5 of them, and it's just gonna be at a lower price since I don't really like them, like I was telling you guys. So I'm gonna have like all the prices listed in the description for all of them, for like each one, and then there's like bundle deals, and even on my Instagram is really where I'm gonna like be taking orders. So if you want to get these for yourself, then you can reach out to me on Instagram, both the 2 Valentine's Day stickers and the 5 winter stickers. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create the stickers and the process of it. I hope you learned a thing or two. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.